know that the threat now is really these hypersonic vehicles that are designed to evade our systems in multiple domains. MEO Space Operations Center is going to be able to ensure that we can track the advanced threat in all phases of flight, all the way from the boost phase into the glide phase, as well as into the terminal phase. That entire process is really where the MSOC comes into play. So the MSOC is really the heartbeat of the Resilient Missile Warning Missile Tracking System. Essentially, the MSOC is being stood up in order to enable a lot of the information coming off of the space vehicle down to the ground and disseminate it out to the consumers of that information. So the MSOC is critical to national security because it allows the MEO Missile Warning Missile Tracking System to do its job. It's a 24/7 operation. What the MSOC is doing is enabling that architecture to function more efficiently.
Today, we hosted the Resilient Missile Warning Missile Tracking ribbon cutting for their new operations facility here in the Boulder Ground Innovation Facility. And it really puts the focus on how do we, as a research and development arm, lead to better outcomes in the future and prepare our service members and our space systems for this new era of space operations.
So the MSOC is located at the Boulder Ground Innovation Facility. We found that the BGIF had many of the resources available. It had the expertise to exploit the data that we were getting off the vehicle. It was also because it was the most cost-efficient solution for us. We had a lot of leadership that sponsored the Space Operations Center being here, and some of the mission partners that's providing a lot of our antennas that are coming into here. There's a lot of infrastructure that we leveraged on the ONI side from the BGIF here in itself. And then we also have the program office folks within the government. To really see places like this with guardians and contractors making decisions for not only the US, but for our allies, and understanding the capability that the MEO system brings to bear is really what excites me the most.